Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, hey Guningi, like it's a lot. It's a lot, you know? So Grace Mondlana is currently trending everywhere. Twitter, Facebook. She is trending everywhere, you know? So Ugel Kesana, Ugel uh had an ex ne, that she dated for 5 years. They dated and you know, and then they decided to separate beginning of this year, if I'm not mistaken, you know. And then the guy, unfortunately, he passed on, and then Ugel, Kutwa, allegedly, it is said that allegedly Ugel was the one sending messages to people to tell them that Usipho has lost his life, you know, and even on the screenshot that I will show you guys. Makabhala ke ukuthi announce ebantwini ukuthi hayi Sipho has lost his life. Uthi, hi, this is Grace, Sipho's partner. And didn't they break up? Because they broke up, Moss. Ugel posted a whole paragraph explaining the way she loved Sipho. She loved the ex Kakulu. Thank you to my friends, family, and my understanding partner. So since ke Ugel said ukuthi they broke up, ne? Ukuthi they broke up, and then Usipho also had a girlfriend here because vele besebahlukene. Now Grace also found herself a partner. But why would you be posting your ex and telling them that you love them, you miss them? Hey, you are the love of my life. Hey, unayo a partner. Why do you have a boyfriend? Like, son, if it was me, I was going to cry 40 days, 40 nights because what? And then yeah, it gets worse, Sana. People now on social medias are saying, I'm a close source. This was her friend that said this, which no, Grace Mondlana doesn't have a boyfriend. She doesn't have a boyfriend. I want to partner ukuthi thanks to my understanding partner for understanding ukuthi I lost my ex and now I have to mourn for my ex. Utwa, there's no partner. Like, I don't know, is Grace Mondlana really that desperate to trend? Because most right, we were enjoying her vlogs. Even when she went to the funeral, guys, when she was picking to go to the funeral, she was vlogging. Like, young Kintamanda say we content, ne? I'm starting to think ukuthi she didn't do all of this out of her own heart. I'm starting to think ukuthi girl did all of this drama just to trend. Because now on TikTok, our videos like they are all more than 1 million. You know, even if you didn't know Grace Mondlane, now you know her. The speech that she gave at the funeral, they were married. Like even the dress code. I know we have to respect funerals. You know, look the part. But yours, Anna, those long dresses, namaduku amnyama. It's giving a Real Housewives of I don't know where. So now she lied to the internet. Ukutwa, ukutune partner. Because people close us, her friend, Grace doesn't have a partner. Grace Mondlane paid for the ex's funeral. Sana Kutwa allegedly she spent 200K on that funeral. Hey, guys. And for Uguti, you know, when a person passes on, the family is the one, like, you know, telling people Usipho has lost his life, what. When you are the one sending messages, kuma group chats, here, this is Grace Sipho's partner. She even edited Ibayo Yaga guy on social media. At 19, I don't know, it's 19 Banbani dash 2025. You know, when someone has lost their lives, it's okay until 2025. Like, hey, Sana, and kutwa. Because Ugel she decided to keep this relationship private for 5 years, trying to protect it. You decide to hide me for 5 years, and then when I'm dead now, you start posting me, telling the world, "Hi, Sana, hi, Buning." There are so many loopholes in this story, and there was I want to just stress, and there was I want to just stress, guys. But okay, let's just leave it here for now because I know soon I information is over because information ilo kuyavela nje piece by piece, because even the Leo Grace doesn't have a partner. Now we recently found out that girl doesn't have a partner. She's just pretending to have a partner because EX, the one that lost his life, already has a partner, you know. So she's just trying nje ukuthi naye kube ngathi at least she has something going on, but kuthiwa nje cha, girl doesn't have any partner. Hey sana kuningi. Kuningi. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.